Hey everybody, it's your boy Darth Revan, and in this video, I'm going to fire my purple Nerf gun, and I made some improvements to my helmet and face mask for my jug suit. As you can see, I'm just wearing like a normal mask. It's really cool, but yeah, it's got some ear loops on it too, and yeah, I didn't do anything else to the face mask and face shield or even the helmet. I just, made a new mask. But yeah, let's get to firing this thing. Just like one of my previous videos, I'm gonna fire my Nerf gun. Turn on full auto and watch some stuff. I don't know. Huh? Shit. God damn it, it got down. That's sad. That was a jam. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Revan Skywalker, and that was me firing my Nerf gun. Hit that like button and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.